Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Chris, and a few weeks ago I did this lock here, which I'll show you. It's a thumb turn. I've done it on my passenger door and on my driver's door. I'll show you from the inside quickly. So we've done a video on this. You just turn that basically from the inside and pull the key out. It's a nice little and there with a grommet in. What I am planning on doing is put one on the back doors. Yeah, so as you can see, I've got this I found in my shed, another one. I'm thinking of putting it just there because it'll stick out and hit this part of the next door. So hopefully, if I drill a hole through there, through the inside of here, just a bit here, it should have to come out, and when it intrudes out, it should hit that there, stopping the door from being opened from the outside. So let's give it a go and see. Right then. Right, here is the lock going in. Let's drill a hole there, nice and messy. Here's the side hole, so that'll just go in there, and the key, can I get it? Will go in there. Hold it, put the key in, and that's gonna go out. So you can see it overlaps the seal inside the van. So that's where that's gonna go. And just pull the key out easily like that. And that's where that's going. So all I need to do now is paint down here before I install it. Here we go. Here's stuff I'm using. These rivets. That's my riveter. These are amazing. All around the van I've been using these. 3 different sizes. And they're spot on. And I'm just using this little one here. So cut out all that. Cut out the holes for the rivets. All using them. Absolutely spot on. Right, now to get painting. I've just drilled this one out because it was going rusty. I forgot to paint it, so I thought I better take it off and get a good paint. I found it's not the holes that are going rusty, it's the disc going rusty. Look at that. Cheap or what? So, guess I'll have to paint this as well. It's not the van. It's nice clean holes still. It's the bracket. That's just cheap. So keep an eye out for that. Right, slap some paint on. Now to stick it in. Right, all fitted. Have a look. And all this edging, by the way, I'm going to edge it all nicely in rope. So yes, it looks a mess at the moment. Right, try to put the key in. Into it. Yeah, that. Straight round. So we need to go down, so we're outside, and try and open the door. Let's go. Right, here we are. Let's try it. So, there is solid from up there. We won't get that back, will we? Do one at the bottom, I suppose. So there we go, it works. Right, so that's all my deadlocks done. I've now got one on the driver's side, passenger side, and one on the back door. The one on the back door could do with another one on the bottom, because I'm quite sure I could rip it open, but works bang on. One of my other videos where I fitted the front door locks, someone commented that they tried it on a certain type of van and it didn't fit. So please check, measure and measure and measure. Make sure it fits before you drill holes in your van, because I've just measured it out and found it works fine for me in this van, and I've checked it. Like I say, on the back doors at the top there, it's a lot wider. That's why I've had to put the lock just where it is, just there. And further down the middle, I wanted it near the top, to be honest with you. And I'm probably going to be using that lock during the winter months and that, when it's just stood doing nothing, just give it a bit more security. And maybe even in case of emergencies, someone trying to brute force a way in while in here. Hopefully not. So, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you want to. Thank you. Bye.